Welcome back, everybody. This is Eric here with Iraq Veteran 8888. Today, we're gonna be making fire. All right, this is gonna be a lot of fun. Our friends at Blackbeard Fire Starters reached out, wanted us to check out their fire starting kit. This is a really handy piece of kit. This particular version of it is what's called the Captain's Plunder. Okay, that's the largest package that includes a whole bunch of useful stuff. They also have a set called the Captain's Loot, but this particular set, you've got your fire starter rod, you've got a nice handy little molly pouch here to put everything in. Okay, open her up, we've got 3 of the Blackbeard fire starter sticks, and we've got their windproof lighter, which is part of the Captain's Plunder, which is their biggest package. Really handy stuff. I've got one soaking down here in this bucket. This stuff will work wet, as I'm about to demonstrate. I've got a little bit of tinder here on the ground, just a little bit of kindling, and I do have a few pieces of fat lighter. We're gonna go through and start a fire with this thing, check it out. If you use the code IV8888, you'll get 10% off. If you happen to want to order something from Blackbeard, check out the link down below and go pick yours up. All right, let's test this thing out. We're gonna make a fire. Look, guys, I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little skeptical about this. They claim that these things can be frozen, drenched in water. All right, this is the one that came out of our bucket. You can see it's wet. I'm gonna cut a section off of it, okay? Okay, so the thing about the Blackbeard fire starter is that this serves as your tinder as well. And this is wet. I'm just gonna rub it together in my hands. Kind of dry it out just a little bit. We're gonna rub it out here, okay? All right, we're gonna put this down in here. Let's give her a try. Come on, girl. There we are. All right, we're gonna let that. Oh boy, yeah. All right, that's getting hot. Ooh. It's burning real hot. Make a little wall here. Look at that. Take a little piece of our fat lighter and put it in there. This will help give her a little staying power. Kind of build us a little wall here. Beautiful. That's a very handy piece of kit. That was the wet piece, okay? And you can see it's this fibrous kind of rope-like material. Now, I took this out of the packaging because I wanted it to get soaked down really well, and it's wet. I mean, I can wring some of that water out. All right, you can see that this fire is roaring pretty good, but you also notice it's pretty windy out here. I mean, look at that wind carrying the smoke in that direction. If it's really windy and you need a windproof option that may not it may be a little better than running something like a regular fire starter. They have their plasma arc lighter. It's a USB rechargeable lighter. This is included with the Captain's Plunder, which is the top end package. It comes with everything. It's USB rechargeable. You just hit this little button and you get an arc. Really nice. It's hard to see here in the day because it's real bright out here. This fire is going really well, and that didn't take a lot of effort. And the nice thing about this little kit is it's just super easy to use, okay? And I'm getting smoked out here, but this is a great addition to your fire making kit, your go bag, your survival case, or maybe you want to have something like this in your vehicle if you need to start a fire in an emergency. I'm gonna move before I get burned up, but we have us a fire going that did not take a lot of effort, and that's your Blackbeard fire starter kit. Very cool stuff. Look for some future videos. We're gonna be using these for some other stuff as well in some of the Manly Meals episodes, including if you want to see the world's largest Swedish torch. Stay tuned.